Okay, so I said I'd do a little video for you on doing the ronchi, and I'm using my video on my cell phone to capture this. So this is inside of focus. Now I can slide the tester forward, make more bands. There's multiple bands. I can slide the tester backwards. That makes fewer bands. Now this is a 15-inch mirror. It's up on a test stand. It's vertical. This one has not been figured at all. It just came off of my powered turntable for polishing. So there's all kinds of central zones, and it needs lots of work. But you can see at the top right now there's a black spot at the top. That's what's holding the mirror up, a little clamp, and the bands are slightly curved inward towards the center. Now I can go on back a little bit. Excuse me. This is similar to where you were at. That's more of a shadowgram there without the ronchi, but that's similar. A similar position to where you were at. Let me get that focus. Now if I just keep going backwards, this is kind of where you were at. Now a little closer in. There, you were something like this, okay, and that's slightly behind focus. Now what I'm going to do from here is I'm going to physically move the entire tester backwards, the whole tester. I'm not just going to use the dial to slide the stage on the tester back. I'm going to move the entire tester, the entire thing, and I'm bringing it back, bringing it back, bringing it back. Come on, get focus. There's better focus. Alright, so now I'm behind the center of curvature. Quite a ways back, more than what you were showing. And that's just what I mean. I moved the whole entire physical tester backwards. Alright, now those bands at the top, they get almost to the edge, and then they hook sharp. On the left side of the mirror, they hook sharply to the left. And on the right side of the mirror, they hook sharply to the right. Now we're not worrying about the center right now. Right now we're trying to fix that. We're worried about the edge. We'll fix up the centers later. So once again, you were somewhere like this. Alright, and that's as far back as you thought you could go, but now you move the entire tester, the whole thing, back more and more. And you'll start to see more bands. There we go, and you can see when we get towards the edge on the top of the bottom of the mirror, those bands stop and then they hook to, real sharp to the left and to the right, and that is your turn down edge. When the mirror is spherical and the center is fixed also, those bands will be straight up and down, clear across the mirror, just on the outside and on the inside of focus. And that's what we're looking for. So I like doing the testing behind the center of curvature, behind the focus, so we get these images, because they're a lot easier to read. You know more about what you're looking at on the surface of the mirror and the edge. So this is what you want to go for. So move that whole tester, physically move it back, just millimeters at a time, until you get a picture like this, and then that's something that we can work with. Like I said, those hooks there are the turn down edge, and we'll be working on that.